Checkpoint 3.35. Rewrite the following conditional expressions using if-else statements. So it's a kind of same thing as previous 3.34, okay, but we are just doing reverse order. So here is A and B, okay. I remove B because that seems to be similar to A. So again, sorry, A and C, not A and B. So look at the first question A. We have multiple inputs, okay, according to x is greater than 10, then we are going to have a scale multiplied by 3. If it's not true, then we multiply by 4. Then we will assign to score, okay. Let me hide this one. Okay, and then here let me add one more, okay. Let's look at the score. What will be the answer for the score? So let's say x is 0, so which is not true. So we are multiplied by 4 times. So let me change to 10. So there will be 4 multiplied by 10 will be assigned to score. So it will become 40.0. Okay, here you go, 40.0. So now let's try to answer this according to that. Let me just make a comments. Okay, so this is a condition. Okay, if condition is true, we are doing the 3 times scale and assign to score. Condition is not true, then 4 times to scale and assign to score. Okay, if condition is true, then we are doing 3 times scale and then assign to score. If it's not true, okay, we say 4 times scale assign to score. Okay, score, and then this time 4 times. And then here's the output. Answer is supposed to be 40. Okay, here you go, same answer. Okay, let me hide it. Let's look at the question C. Okay, so we have a number is 10, I is 10, J is 20. Okay, it seems complicated, but let's look at here. We have one condition. If this condition is true, then we are going to print I. How do I know? Here is the one. Okay, we are printing I. If the condition is not true, then we are printing J. So let's look at it. Okay, 10 divided by 3. So remainder is 0. No, remainder is 1. So not true. So we are printing J. So answer is supposed to be 20. Okay, so we did the same thing. Let's comment it. What is a condition? If this condition true, we assign. Okay, we are not assign. We are printing I. If it's not true, we are printing J. Okay, that's it. Should be the same answer. Here you go, 20. Okay, that's all. Thank you.